So this is the second video. Now we are going to take a look why is the routers, why is the devices are. So if you click on the router, you see the router model. Those are the Cisco simulated router. If you click on the next icon, you will see all the endpoint devices like your desktop, laptop. If you click this icon, you will see all the connections. So first one is automatic at the console cable, straight to cable, copper cross, there's a fiber, there's a phone connection, and there's a coaxial connection also. And if I go in the top, you see that this is your default mouse, right? So if you click on any of the icon in the top, if you lost your mouse, if you go back, like this is the cross, right? So then how do you go back normal? And click on here in the corner and you will get your mouse back. So this is the normal behavior of Cisco Packet Tracers. Always click on here. So if I go to edit option, and you will find the preference. So if you need to make a bigger font, go to a font after that right here, and then click on right here. By default 8, you can make whatever number you want, 13, 14, and you say apply. So when you boots up your routers, you will see the bigger font. The second option I wanted to go over the coloring. So if you click on here, you will see that the palette for dialog. So if you see fill color, by default is black, so it's going to be color is black. So if you wanted to change the color, click on here and choose whatever color you want. So okay, and then you make a color and highlighting. So you choose another one and choose this one and draw. You have to say okay, and then you draw. This is the color. So how do you delete this one? So it's pretty simple. Just go to the cross icon, right? Or let me close it down, this one, then go to the cross icon. Yep, click on here and then say delete, and then say delete again, and the third one I will say delete again, and now I want to go back to my normal mouse, so I have to click on the top, or I can come over here. You see that I can drag and drop, but still I do have a cross icon, but still I can drag and drop. But how do you go back? Remember the trick? Go back here, and this is the normal mouse. So if you choose the crossover, if you want to connect to router, you can manually do the crossover cable that I highlight sets. You can connect, router to router is always crossover cable connection. Means if you use the same device, always crossover. Now if I take another PC and I take another PC and I wanted to connect, I can choose the automatically. Automatically means it will choose for you whatever cable is appropriate. You don't have to confuse between straight to and also crossover cable. Same thing if I take another device, for example, I'll take a switch, for example. So if you take a 2960 switch and also another switch, if you wanted to connect this switch, you can use this cable connection. I can choose crossover, or I can choose the automatic, but automatic is again is going to be is choose automatically for you. You don't have to do anything. If I take another router and then I will choose I'll choose the Cisco switch, which is 2916 switch, and then I'll take a workstation. So how do you connect, right? So router to switch always going to be the straight through cable. So I can choose the automatic one and I can connect, and I can choose again automatic one and I can take. So automatic is convenient. The only disadvantage that you cannot see which port you are connected. So if I do manually, you see it tells me which port I am connecting, but if it's automatically, you cannot see which port you're connected. You have to hover over to the mouse. Now this is the console cable, so I'll take the PC, always RS232, that's your console port, and once you go to the switch, always console, either switch, router, firewall, always connect to the console cable. So this is out of band configuration management. If you wanted to manage configure out of band, so you choose RS232 and console, the third one. So once you choose, so you can definitely connect a configure router without any IP address. It's like a straight serial cable connection. That's the first time you need it to configure any network devices, the console cable. Once you configure everything, you don't need it. So if I wanted to highlight, you see the field yellow color, so I can choose the color that I want, and I can highlight this one, and I can highlight in different color. So I need to choose the different color. I will say okay, and you can choose this one, and I can go back the note if I want to keep the notepad, that's the nodes, right? So this is the way you do that. So I'll see you next video how we can configure lot more option.